Wow, second day in a row now. Look at the beautiful sky and the clouds. It's beautiful. Red, peach, orange. The spirit as well. You can see the angels. We go outside and want even more. Wow. Absolutely phenomenal. The darker cloud there and then goes all pinky, orange. It's absolutely phenomenal. Zoom in. Oh, too far there. It's gorgeous, see? Oh my word, how beautiful. The love of nature, eh? Absolutely phenomenal. Got a gorgeous angel there. You can see his wings. Wow. Spirit's face. You see his face. Wow. Beautiful, 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 isn't it, everyone? Bit of the yellow there, among with the blue sky as well. Bit of purple coming through as well. Look at this for colour. What a blessing. And then we go down there, and then you got the darker clouds, look. And see how we saw change, watch. From there, move it round into the pink. A bit of the blue sky, the clouds, the angel, I mentioned. The man's face still there, yeah, look. All the way around, blue sky, the pink clouds. Oh, stunning. Absolutely stunning. Phenomenal.